Welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about the problem is bubble sort. So for the given input array, we need to sort all array elements by using bubble sort algorithm. So let me show you one tracing diagram, then you can understand more how bubble sort will work internally. So these are the elements we need to sort by using bubble sort. So bubble sort will use two techniques to sort the array elements. First one will be the comparison. So it will start comparison from start to end. So in first step, it will start comparison like first element is greater than second element. If it is true, then swap. Here in this case, 12 is greater than 5, true, right? Then only we are trying to swap here. That's why I am trying to swap. 5 will be moved to first position, 12 will be moved to second position. In step 2, start comparison from second element onwards. So 12 is greater than 73, false, right? That's why no swap. So in step 3, 73 is greater than 80, false, no swap. In step 4, 80 is greater than 34, true, swap it. In step 5, 80 is greater than 6, true, swap it. So for 6 elements we are trying to compare 5 times, I mean in 5 steps. So once 5 comparisons are done, one element will be sorted, that is last element, here in this case 80. So repeat the same process until unless all elements are in sorting order. So let me try to build the logic. So I am trying to declare one input array. So I am trying to copy input values as it is. Now I am trying to declare one method called bubble sort. This method is expecting integer type of array. I am trying to declare that method. Inside this method only I am trying to build bubble sort logic. So I am trying to use one for loop to iterate the array from begin to end. I am trying to use one more for loop, and moreover that here I am trying to change the condition length -1 to avoid index out of bound exception. Next I am trying to start the actual logic. So first one will be the condition check, right? I mean first element is greater than second element. These are this condition I am trying to implement. Once the condition is true, I am trying to implement swapping logic. So array of first element is greater than array of second element, that is j plus 1. If it is true, I am trying to swap it. First I am trying to store array of jth index element in temporary variable. Next I am trying to assign array of jth index position to array of j plus 1 index element. Next finally I am trying to assign j plus 1 index position to previously stored temporary variable value. Let me try to align properly. So this is the logic for bubble sort. We can optimize some time complexity. I will explain once I will run the code where we can optimize time complexity. So let me try to print the result. I am not returning anything from here. So I am trying to change the input array elements locations. That's it. So for that I can print the input array as it is, arrays dot to string of input array. Now let me try to run. So you can check the output 5, 6, 12, 34, 73, 80. So all elements are in sorting order. So now we can optimize a time complexity. Here if you can observe, for sorting 6 elements exactly bubble sort will take n square time complexity. So let me show you. To show time complexity exactly n square, I will declare one counter variable. I am initializing with 0. Inside outer for loop I am trying to increment, and inside inner loop also I am trying to increment. So inside outside of outer for loop, I am trying to print that counter variable value count. Now let me try to run. So for sorting 6 elements exactly it is taking n square time complexity 6 right. So we can optimize time complexity up to somewhat instead of n square. So now let me try to optimize time complexity in bubble sort algorithm. So first I am trying to implement one condition like length minus I minus 1 in inside inner for loop. So what I am trying to do here, we can observe this diagram. In first iteration, last element will be sorted. In second iteration, I think here I implemented only one iteration. In second iteration, second element will be sorted. That is last second. So in third iteration, last third element will be sorted. So I am trying to ignore last array and sorted elements. Like in first iteration it will iterate until length minus 1, in second iteration length minus 2. So like that I am trying to optimize time complexity in bubble sort algorithm. Now let me try to run the program. So from 36 to 21, here I reduced the somewhat time complexity, right? So this is the first condition we need to apply when you are writing bubble sort algorithm. One more thing is we need to handle the condition. So if the array is in already sorting order, let me try to observe the time complexity. So if the array is in already sorting order, let me try to run. So still I'm getting same time complexity. So there is no sense, right? Even though array is not sorting order, this much time complexity we are implementing, so we can reduce it. So for that I am trying to add second condition. For that I am trying to declare one boolean variable swap. Initially I am initializing with false. So if there is no swap means array is in already sorting order. So if the array is in already sorting order, I am trying to stop the loop. So the array is in, if there is swap, I am trying to update that flag. That is, if there is a swap, I am trying to update boolean flag. So then only iterate the loop, otherwise stop it. There is no swap, then I am trying to break the loop. Now let me try to run it. So from 21 to 6. So in best case, if the array is in already sorting order, we reduce from 21 to 6. So this is the two conditions we need to keep in mind when we are writing bubble sort algorithm. So this is the logic for bubble sort algorithm. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thank you.